In the digital age, typing is faster, more practical. But did you know that your brain learns better when you write by hand? Scientific studies reveal that this simple act, which many are abandoning, activates key regions for memory and learning. Are we losing an ancient skill that makes us smarter? Today at Curious Minds, we investigate. According to a German study, STEP 2022, more and more children and adults are struggling to write legibly and quickly. Lockdowns have made this worse. Without practice, our handwriting becomes clumsy, even illegible. But the problem isn't just aesthetic. Experts warn that, without routine, we lose more than good handwriting. We lose a powerful tool for the brain. A 2024 Norwegian study found that handwriting increases activity in key areas of the brain: memory, visual processing, and motor coordination. Why? Because when you trace each letter, your brain does something unique. It compares the shape of the letters with learned patterns, adjusts the pressure of the pencil, and synchronizes your hand and eye. It's neural gymnastics. Typing, on the other hand, is repetitive. The same keys, the same movements. Handwriting is one of the oldest cultural techniques. The Sumerians carved in clay 5,000 years ago. In the Middle Ages, only monks and nobles mastered this art. Today, 87% of the world knows how to read and write, but paradoxically, fewer people practice it. How can you use this to your advantage? If you study or work with complex ideas. 1. Take notes by hand in meetings or classes, even if you digitize them later. 2. Use mind maps with colors and arrows to activate your creativity. 3. Practice calligraphy for 10 minutes a day. Your brain will thank you. It's not about demonizing technology. I love my laptop. But about not losing a skill that humanizes us. Next time you want to memorize something, try a pencil and paper. What do you think? Do you write by hand often? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more mysteries of the mind.